So the instance may look empty, but I just have the new avatar LOD settings up really high, and I actually have frames in here right now, and I'm really curious. You can kind of see some of the diamonds, but
as long as you get here like a couple minutes before.
I'm actually not gonna lag when people, or if I go on stage.
I just got lucky.
Oh.
You'll see that. So it takes a little bit of time. Like for me.
Can other people see this?
No.
Oh, okay.
Oh, they shouldn't be.
I'll stop looking at it then.
But yeah, if you if I go into the list and you see me on the list there, and you hit move.
I see. Okay. Very cool.
Oh.
And then you move the player.
Like, so much performance saved by these diamonds, but you just don't get to see anybody, which is a little depressing, because it doesn't look like it's populated anymore, but it helps.
Alright, let's do this.
Hello everybody, if we could all gather around the stage at the back. I think we already pretty much are, but just in case there's anybody further back. Awesome. Gosh, I keep forgetting that nameplates show through my cool big screen that tells me what to say. Hide those. There we go. Alright. Hello! Oh. No. Hello, welcome to the community meetup. This is an event every Sunday at 4 p.m. Eastern, 1 p.m. Pacific, where you can show the worlds you're working on for VRChat. So what's going to happen is I'm going to quickly go over the rules, and then anybody that would like to show a world, we ask that you step into the rectangle in front of the stage. Who is that? PixelatedLTD? Are you showing something today?
He is just AFK at the moment.
Got it. Okay. I was like, they're standing there. I'm like, are they waiting? Okay. So anyways,
They really want to show.
with that said, please make sure that the worlds you show today follow VRChat's community guidelines in 2S. Please make sure that your worlds are set to hold 40 people. That's just the maximum that you are able to set. When you drop a portal, please make sure that it is Invite Plus or an Unlocked Friends Plus portal. There's a little lock icon next to the drop portal button now. When you drop a Friends Plus, just make sure that that is unlocked. Please make sure that worlds don't deal with any sensitive or offensive subject matter. If you have any questions about that, please ask us. If your world is over 250 megabytes, please let us know, just so we know how to organize the much larger content towards the end for the sake of people's download speed. If your world is not ready to be shown, please don't show it. By that we just mean the very simple things like having collision under spawn, things like that. Please make sure that avatars are medium or better on the performance ranking. If you do not see a little notification at the bottom of your screen, please select Fax, Snore, Sign, Laser, and myself and click Show Avatar. That is just so we can bypass your safety settings to give you guys nice little notifications to let you guys know what you need to do to keep the event running smoothly. If your world has copyrighted music, please specify ahead of time, because people do stream this event and that can affect other people's copyright standing on their streaming platform. And if you showed a world last week, we ask that you do not show a world this week, because we have a 1 week cooldown. So with that said, if you'd like to show something, please step into the magical little rectangle.
Make sure you enable the list.
I'm not. There we go.
Oh, there it is. Oh my god, wait.
Okay.
Wow, that's full already.
Oh, that's cool.
Got it. Okay.
Wow.
So we are going to get that. So first we would have MilkySenpai, and then Aaron, techanon, FairlySadPanda, PixelatedLTD, Steve the Mitochondria, Backsnore, Dinky, and then we have 3 additional at the end.
Swap me out for Centauri, please.
Sorry, what was that, Fax?
Squid, swap me out. Squid, swap me out for Centauri, please.
Nah,
You've got way cooler things to show than me.
Nah, you
No,
can show yours.
no,
show yours.
No.
Can they switch
no,
over
no.
for me instead? I really want to show off my world.
Hit the lock list just so that the people don't disappear from the list.
Show slots and reserves.
Okay, there we go. Okay. So, take a picture of that. Perfect. And so, yeah, I guess, MilkySenpai, if you'd like to come up and explain what it is you're showing.
Can I talk?
Yeah, everyone.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
This week I want to show off a world I've been working on for 2 months. It's a remake of location from Fallout 1, Shady Sense. It doesn't have copyrighted music, so I'm just gonna drop the portal.
Did you swap the two?
Alright, radiation! Yay!
Everybody just started talking at the same time. Well, I'll
Beryllium beer.
We'll go through.
Oh, the list disappears then. Just I haven't fixed that issue.
So.
Nobody?
Well, wait.
Oh, there we go.
Oh.
Oh my
Good to see that hidden avatars.
Should I just drop it the same place?
Speed of normal.
I would move
Yeah, community meetup is filling up so much faster
Very
now.
snap.
Like, I've got in 10 minutes early. I don't think I even noticed the ping, and it was already
But I know
full.
that's for performance reasons.
Sounds good.
As disappointing as it is to not see the people rush in, at least I have the frames to see it anyway.
Well, I got a picture, so.
That's weird with the fading. So I'm not sure entirely what the reserved was. I think Faxnor just added it recently. I believe it is in, like, we're capping. Oh, hold on. Oh, there we go. I believe we're capping the list itself off at 8, and then we have like 4. Well, anybody else on the list still is like if there's time, but we're not saying they like guaranteed to go.
I do.
Ooh, ooh. So wait, what's going on?
Grab this tablet and walk around. So far, it doesn't have much interactability, but I just wanted to show up my environment, and I will make a quest later, I think.
It's a dusty screen. Can we clean this?
In the
Wait.
no.
Do we get? Wait.
In the tablet, you see the way the game looked originally. It was an orthographic game.
Oh, can we take the tablet with us? Oh, we
Yes.
Yes.
I don't want to restart the game.
Ah, sweet.
Ooh, I'm just gonna follow.
Oh, this is such a nostalgic oh my god.
It was a very difficult project because I only had to work from one screenshot pretty much.
One screenshot to get everything.
One screen. Wait, you don't have the game?
No. The game is 2D. You know, the 3D assets disappeared. Someone modeled them at one point. That's why most of the stuff worked in 3D environment. Someone once modeled them in 3D, but then they made it into a sprite, and ever since then, it's never been in 3D. They probably deleted it or something.
Oh.
I didn't ever do any.
As old games do, they just disappear.
Okay, the open beta feature.
It's actually really like it is tough to recreate to recreate like an environment that was originally seen from a perspective.
Here on stage, so that makes sense. This more of a like.
This looks like the message he didn't get in the lobby, but he wanted to show off world.
We're full today, so I don't think we have enough space to get like everybody showing.
Shit.
Yeah.
If you turn the
Oh, that's why I didn't see it because I scrolled too far down.
to like there's positional hit
Right, but I just let you know.
Yep. Thank you for letting me know.
Glad you were able to come in.
Is that because they're sending less data?
And they didn't actually seem to
Probably. I think they actually like we change interest groups.
doing the thing
Oh wait, where's Milky?
No, what it does.
Yeah, this is my first shader I wrote.
Wait, what's the shader?
So bad, but this is the first. Yeah, I wrote my first shader.
No. What was the shader? Okay, I'm hiding.
It's the stencil. The reason you can see yourself in the building.
Oh, that. Sorry, I wasn't paying
For the
attention to what part.
Oh, it's okay.
Yes.
That's good. Okay.
Oh. There's 2 people with your avatar. I'm trying to figure out which one is which.
Oh yeah, sorry about that.
How do you hide the? There we go.
The pretty black lace. I'm not too sure what to show exactly.
Just show everything you know.
Similar,
Or...
I love it.
So you said you're gonna add a
the
quest
cows.
eventually. Oh, show the cows? Okay. It's like trying to follow you also while looking at the little mini map. Oh, the cows. There's a bunch of people in here.
They're so bad. They're sliding around. But eventually I will get it.
I mean, you did. You actually made them move.
Oh.
They're all two-headed.
No, I haven't.
Yes, mutations, radiation.
Oh yeah, fucking decalibration mirror works so much better now.
Oh my goodness.
Oasis needs to whip out their realistic cow avatar and just hang out in here.
In the description, it already got those from what those
Working on something.
You loaded it. I'm on my old computer, so I'm freezing a little bit. It's a little hard, but
Is there another section to go?
Two headphones.
Yeah, there's I guess the well.
Oh, we got a well, which you can't really look at on. Oh, you can go in it though. Is there a way to get out?
Yeah, you can go in it.
Oh, okay. As long as
Just one question, Milky. Shouldn't this one be lead to a cave? We set up some explosives, or am I thinking of a different? Well,
No, I think it wasn't. I need to double check. I played it 2 years ago. I thought it didn't. But yeah, I did want to have the whole quest of
might be a
this
different
town. But yeah, I wanted to show it off and release it because working for something for 2 months and then I'm going to go on a work trip for a month. I want to just release it because I won't be able to like work on it. It will be too bad. It'll be too like. Just want people to see it. And I guess the last thing to do is just to jump off the map.
jump off the map.
Experience a OG death.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Lead us the way.
You can respawn. It's probably the best way.
Oh, respawn? Oh, okay. Oh, well, yeah, there's the edge. What does the map do?
Your bones are scraped clean by the desolate wind.
I guess that's you.
Your vault will now surely die.
I have two!
As you have.
Wait, can you actually pick it up?
You didn't check for that?
No. Oh no, I forgot. It's fine, it's environment.
The screen's still dirty though. Can we clean that?
Yeah, the only bleak thing is the voice lines they give you. Those are very depressing. I need to like make them a bit funnier.
Wait, is there more than that one? More than just that one, or is that?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. There's like 10.
Sorry, in the
all
map.
from the game.
Still already here.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Did I miss them? How do we get those?
Jump off and jump off again.
Oh, just keep jumping off. Okay.
Your life ends in the wasteland.
I discovered your jet. I just came back and someone was like, oh shoot, you go fast.
Oh yes, there are cams in this game, which is like make you so fast. It really works well for VRChat, obviously. Just boost the speed.
Mm-hmm.
People will love it.
Oh no! How did we get located?
The
Welcome to
icon's
death.
flashing. Oh, that's the only weird thing. I don't know.
The icon?
Is there anything to do against it? You know, like the circle or icon, because they come from really far away.
Oh, I had nameplates off,
it's
so I wasn't
super
seeing
big.
it. That's a VRChat bug. There's nothing you can do about that.
Oh shit. That sucks.
Make a Kenny and complain, being like, fix your bugs.
Yeah.
Because, you know, that
I need
does
to.
well.
And there's a camera.
Probably the worst week for I want to say what camera? 90% of the people we talk to. Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah, those were very cool.
This is cool. I like this.
Do they have little fires?
They're supposed to like
6 months.
You are now initiated.
But that means it's down like 20% since last week.
I couldn't get that to string you assure, but then you can just do that whenever. Even if it's currently actually playing it, it will just hot swap to the new one, and if the string is
One of the issues of using our HUD off, you don't know when you're muted.
and then you set it to a new string that's like not nearly as long. That won't break anything out.
Hey, Sam, did you get the speed boost thing?
Where's the speed boost? I heard Milky talking about it.
Oh, it's at spawn.
Oh, it's,
that was literally it. Okay.
What the fuck? The casual, but then, you know.
We're here.
Okay, have you guys died yet?
Yes.
Cyan.
Yes.
Cyan, if you show your shader and you're outside my avatar range, can I see it?
If my avatar's a diamond, you will not see it. You should have the like. That's the point of all this. You have to have the show avatar section enabled.
Yeah.
How many people do you have
Well,
shown?
that sucks. Almost everybody.
Okay.
Okay.
I mean, that's one of those like your workflow is now changed at the
I am
meetup.
curious, because like, are you able? Because I know you can clear your block list on the website. Can you also?
Yeah, you can clear your shown list. You can.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to do that. Is that on the website or is that where is that?
It's on the website.
I know the obvious downside to this performance mode stuff is that everybody's gonna have to rebuild their animators from scratch. But in fairness, VRChat did tell everyone to rebuild their animators from scratch 2 years ago, and no one listened.
No, okay, okay. There's no one listened because they're not paying attention to Twitter or Discord or whatever, but then there's no one listened because the SDK does not let you know that defaults aren't what you should be using. And I'm gonna say that like the candy to silent made, I thought was a pretty good point.
This is VRChat enforcing a very non-Unity centric way of doing things.
Yeah. If you're gonna do something outside of the normal Unity defaults, you should probably make sure people know. Because not everybody's in prefab.
I will also know, I'm pretty sure this is just a performance thing, but I noticed there's no interpolation on positions at all for any of the diamonds. They just teleport around.
Default in Unity. The great default.
Cyan, I killed 3 people showing off their worlds today. Can I be on the list now?
That's not my call.
Oh my god.
When you install it,
I dumped their bodies in the little water loot over there.
How big is this? How many people do we have in here? Am I able to go quickly hop to test my worlds and then hop back in without being locked out?
Sure. You'll have to like stream snipe.
Because somebody broke build and test on the live build.
Wait, why did you look at Tupper?
Spin up a new
Tupper created VRChat.
Because everybody blames Tupper. That's how it works.
Over to open beta?
The full instance thing, which actually wasn't a problem. It turns out that the full instance problem, people were using it as a queue, but the API wasn't happy about that because it was slamming into the the join thing every 5 seconds instead of every 90. But it turns out if you just sat at the repeating thing, eventually you'll get in because eventually a spot will open up in whatever instance you're trying to join.
Grab it.
Yep.
I mean, a queue system for popular instances would not be a bad idea to do, but not like that.
Yeah.
An unordered random restart queue? No.
I feel like this is out of scope.
I know. Hey, let's turn the meetup into Tupper feedback.
Wait, that's not how it was before? You know, walking away on stream to not give that?
But I think like my old time was like...
I have been, since I've been coming to these more often, I've been making an effort of whenever I show up at a map and there's too many people circling around, I just walk away and start looking through the map.
Very good choice.
Yeah. I don't want to cause problems.
Anybody who's gotten a perfect score, like
hold on, I didn't take the score to bump
Yes, that is a
because I saw him running over here and then there we go.
By the way, Squid,
Sorry, we gotta move on. Yeah.
I don't know if anybody pointed it out early on, but thanks to the open beta, we are required to tell everybody to have the show avatar options for that, I guess, the LOD system, because otherwise no one will see the message.
Oh, that's right. Oh, I forgot about that.
Yep.
Yeah,
that's quite important, yeah.
Okay. So I guess I assume everybody can see it.
Whoever can see it can see it. That's just how it is.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, just in case, everybody, if you are using the new open beta with the performance LEDs, make sure that you have allow override with show avatar checked. Otherwise, you will not be able to see any of these notifications.
Performance thing?
Open beta, if you're on open beta.
So, is it right here? Oh, there you
right
are.
here. Hello.
Yeah, it's
Oh. Alrighty. I made Sears 2 years ago, but like this past week, I like updated the lighting and optimized it a lot more. So it's like the new and improved Sears. If you guys want to see it. But yeah, it's an exact replica of a Sears that I used to work at, like square foot by square foot and everything. So I am going to drop it. And we're gonna go explore Sears. There might be copyrighted music because
Yeah,
of,
this is
playlist.
Spawn, so you might need to find another spot.
Also, if everyone look at their tablets now, it looks like we're about to go into a raid.
Everyone's gonna raid in Sears.
Oh, here we go.
Should I forget anything?
Wait, say that again? What do you mean by like spectral arrows having to? Am I missing something in the discussion here? I was missing something. Oh, what am I looking at? How far out did they go?
I wanted to do the
Hey guys, welcome to the Sears.
Oh wait, I forgot. Is this copyrighted music? I'm pretty sure it is.
Yes. Yes. It's copyrighted music.
Ah, sad.
Oh, you can jump on the beds.
So many jumping diamonds. Wow, amazing.
Oh my god, jumping diamonds.
Here we go. This is what I'm here for.
This safety setting. Even with it, I still have only 20 frames.
I'm not using it and I'm getting 20 frames.
Oh, hold on. Let's find Aaron then.
Everyone's silent.
You want to give a quick tour of literally everything in here? The full shopping catalog? Let's go, let's go.
Everybody, we're going on a tour.
Tell us what to buy, show me our catalog.
It's like we got our sales going on. We got over here we got the vacuum cleaners, and we got the furniture over here. This is fine. But we made it.
Did you actually, like, did you memorize the entire layout of where you work? I guess it probably isn't that difficult.
Yeah, I'm crazy. And I had all like reference photos and stuff, and then I had one of the older employees who was there for 25 years, like walk through as I was making it to make sure everything was accurate, and it was really fun.
All right then.
And
Oh no.
yeah, oh, it's Hey You Pikachu for the N64.
And the Switch? Wow.
Alright, let's go over here. So we got over here, here's toys.
More toys.
And then here's kids section. It's the kids cash wrap. So there's like the kiosk. Everybody would line up here to get stuff right here. And we got
bigger than you.
old lady clothes over here.
Old lady clothes. So next to the kids section is the old lady clothes.
Yes.
Looks very Hawaiian. I didn't know old ladies dressed only Hawaiian.
Over here, we got some VHS tapes. We got some. We got Pokemon.
This is the Pokemon VHS.
We got Ice Age. Yeah. We got We got Beauty and the Beast. We got a bunch of each of these. Yeah. We got
So good.
We got Forrest Gump. We got Recess. But yeah, if you come over here, we got the rest of the store.
The rest of the store, yes.
The break rooms. Yeah, over there goes to the break rooms right in there. That's ladies' intimates over there. And come out through here.
Oh, to answer your question about
come through the doors right here.
me
This is the break
memorizing,
room right in here. So if we come in
I guess
here,
my
we're going to the
workplace.
break room.
I kind of did, but like literally everyone's office
Where,
or
you gotta get
station was like
prep
the
talk,
same.
and everybody
So
get in
it's
the
like
sales floor, sell everything.
I can't memorize the little details in that. It was just more a big desk computer screen. Oh yeah.
And this is my office right here.
You had an office?
This is the office right here.
Is
yeah,
that you?
I actually put my photo over my boss's office. That's not me. That is Appman. That is not me at all. That's Appman. He's the famous Sears employee who tried to save the company, but it's good. Yeah. And if we come out here,
Tried.
like out here. So we can come through here. It's a scary stock room. I actually put lights in it finally. Before it was just pitch black and cryptic. People say it looks like the back rooms. So we're coming through.
It still looks like the back rooms.
Oh no, it's the bathrooms.
Back here.
It says all the stuff is outside. You stocked all the product.
This version actually isn't cryptic. There is a cryptic version in the 6G experience. We're not going to talk about that one. And then we're coming over here. We're going to get the lawn and garden.
Aaron,
Yeah. What's up?
Can I have
Is that Kirby in the 64?
Yeah,
you
can
gotta
I
pay
keep
for
it?
that.
In the
You
64.
gotta pay for it.
What?
That's a classic. That's a classic.
I've always wanted to do something like this for like the factory I used to work
So we got
at.
over here, we got a lawn and garden, the grill section, so it's summer. So we're having our summer sale right now.
Because like it's way too big to commit that much time.
Ice checker.
I'm gonna do this.
So this is just the workout equipment, and we got more tools. We got Craftsman tools. Craftsman tools have lifetime warranties on them. And then we're coming over here.
Wait, was it like? Do they have a lifetime warranty even though Series is out? Can you still get the warranty?
I actually don't know how that works. There's like 3 Sears left in the world.
Oh, so wait, they still exist?
Maybe. It might. I mean, they're still alive. Sears is still. I mean, I think that I still have faith that the company will, like, you know, come back. You can buy a VRChat cat right here. We got a VRChat cat.
It disappeared.
They're on sale. If you buy a mattress, you actually get one of the VRChat cats for free. It's they're cool. They're made of memory foam.
That's supposed to be
here.
It's not the other way around.
Oh no! Don't look at it. Yeah,
Who put a hole in it?
Cells. This is where I was. I worked mattresses.
Oh shit.
Over here. And if you look right here, if you come to this register, you can click on the button and it makes a mirror.
That
So
is.
this is
Oh
where you
wait,
can,
I
like,
can
see
actually press this
yourself.
at the meetup.
Yeah.
And then I still.
Yeah, so you can click it. Yeah, and then you can like see everybody here when you try to trick old people into signing up for credit cards. I mean, inspire them to buy stuff. That's what you can do. And yeah, we got dishwashers in here.
A very spiky dishwasher.
Oh yeah, and you can ride in the dishwashers too.
Oh wait, what?
You can ride in them. It's very dangerous though. We don't recommend it.
Okay. Help me!
Keep kids out of the washing machine. Yeah, washing machine. Yeah. I meant washing machine. Yeah, he's gonna get really clean. His cyan shirt's gonna be really clean.
That would be a good dishwasher.
Is there?
Oh, my tracker.
Yeah, we also got Sonic Adventure on Nintendo GameCube. If you were looking, we got a bunch of stuff you can get.
The current Nintendo console.
Someone needs to make that a GIF.
Yeah.
Your stupid Sonic 2.
Just going for a spin.
Hey, we got AMDs on sale too. We got AMDs. So we're good. We got the Ryzen. That's a hot item. People want it. You get 60 off 100 if you get the Sears credit card though, so it helps not to get the Ryzen 9.
Yeah, I think this is every year, maybe in the future.
So this is actually went through a time warp, so like merged realities together. So it's in the 90s, in the 80s, in the 2010s, all at once. But canonically, it takes place at 2018. So this Sears is canonically 2018.
They still sell VHS tapes?
Or 2019, my bad.
Video cards.
Yeah, there's a lot of VHS tapes.
Oh my god.
Well, actually, Sears had VHS tapes because the old people loved them. They literally would get mad if we had DVDs. They're like, "Where are the VHSs?" And we like told them it's like 2019. It's 2019. What are you doing? I mean, VHSs are good. They save where you left off. You know, you put a VHS tape, it saves where you leave off, and it's good. You know. It was good.
But you gotta
Quality.
rewind it.
It wasn't the good.
Yeah.
You just mash those
Yeah,
together
you do
real
gotta
hard and then
rewind it. I forgot about that mechanic.
Yeah, exactly like that.
We gotta go see more.
Quick, what's next?
Gotta go see. We got some back.
Can we touch grass?
Some VCRs. I remember back when some VCRs didn't have the rewind feature. You actually had to
But we like
buy a
the
separate
trap
thing
in
that
here.
rewound the tape.
I remember that.
And then they decided, you know what? Why not just build the rewind feature in the actual VCR? That might be a good idea.
That's genius. That could have made a lot of money back then. I don't know why they didn't.
Have you seen the?
Well, they did eventually. That's the thing.
They did?
We gotta pick you out a
Yeah,
nice
because
shirt. You gotta pick
VCRs
out a nice
originally did
Hawaiian
not have a
shirt.
rewind feature.
We gotta find one.
There's a separate device you had to buy to rewind the tape.
Wow.
Here's the shoe, but all we have is New Balance and Nike.
A New
Sears
Balance Nike?
actually canonically didn't sell Nike. But
Why are they so big?
Canonically.
oh yeah.
Why is your foot so small?
I'm trying to Smash Brothers, but they were all
You got
out.
baby
So I had to buy the-
feet.
Yeah, regular one, and then buy a GameCube
It was also
controller
this
somewhere
was
else.
right by the switches.
I'll go buy shoes in the toddler section.
Game Boy.
We do have the Ninja Turtles on VHS.
The Ninja Turtles?
Yeah, we got the Ninja Turtles on VHS. It's a classic. They're actually from, I think, Burger King.
The Ninja Turtles are from Burger King?
I think this VHS tape is.
The VHS tape.
Looks like a Christmas frame.
Did not invent the Ninja Turtles.
Aww, the lore is wrong. Oh.
We
Flubber.
got Mr. Bill's 20th anniversary. And Titanic on the VHS. You have to buy the two of them. It had part 1 and part 2 in one.
Part.
So you knew it was a good movie.
I did not realize
That's how
that.
you knew it was a good movie. Yeah, that and Gone with the Wind were two parters.
I don't remember any two-part VHSs. I guess I didn't watch enough movies back then.
You don't? It was like on
definitely
PlayStation
remember.
1. They had like 4 parts to Final Fantasy 9. There's like 4 parts you had to get.
Or parts to Final Fantasy 9, the VHS?
No,
I remember CD games, yes. I just don't remember.
I wish it was a VHS.
VHS one.
No.
Because it
Okay.
was just it was like a 3-hour movie, so it's like
Yeah.
it's only fit like 2 hours on a VHS tape.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow.
I wonder how the Marvel movies would have done on VHS. Like, imagine seeing Endgame, 3 parts on VHS. How crazy that would be.
480p.
That'd be nice.
Oh boy, that would have.
Some great special
They're on
effects.
these TVs though.
Yeah. Thought it was
Yeah,
a
they
CGI
don't
mess
actually
already.
have
You could
electronics
see
in
it
this
even more
Sears
one.
canonically because they ran out. I think they closed electronics right when they right when I made this. So like we didn't have electronics here. We just had one TV because we had one TV and we promised not to sell it until the very end, and we just like would watch cartoons and stuff on it. Yeah, let's see what else we got here. We got Home Alone 3. We got
Oh, the best one.
Oh yeah.
the cursed one.
Man, when I first saw that, I was so confused. I was like, wait, what? This isn't the same kid? What?
Oh yeah, I had that
Oh, no,
too.
respawn.
I was just like, what the fuck's going
Respawn,
on?
people. For those who can see it.
Oh yeah, this is the most important thing, the Sears Bible.
Yeah, Aaron, where are the motherboards?
Oh yeah, we're out of motherboards, we're out of stock.
What are we looking for?
Techanon.
Oh, where's that?
I need something to upgrade to my computer. I don't know what.
Quiet, please, guys. Is Techanon here?
They were.
they going to
I'm just thinking.
Oh, right here.
I need to upgrade.
Oh, perfect. Okay. Quiet, please, guys. You're free to.
Okay, there is no.
Alright, for those who don't know me, I work on the ProTV player asset. We just released the newest version a week and a half ago, so I'm just showing off the newest features of that today in the demo world, as I usually do whenever I show that off. So, you know, Volume is set to 0 on everything, so you only turn it up if you want to listen to anything.
Have fun on community.
Guys, and that's really it.
And I love you. Bye. Bye.
Standard copyright notice, etc.
I'm gonna try to get this in there. I don't know if it's gonna work.
Does it work on Steam?
We're taking the TV with us.
I don't think it's how it works. I'm still waiting for my Steam Deck order to come in, so I have not been able to test that, unfortunately.
Hey, excuse me. Hey, were you? I did. I paid for it. I lost the receipt. I lost the receipt.
What do you mean you lost? No, you got
the receipt. Right.
Drop the portal. You gotta show me the receipt.
You can't know that. I paid for this. Hey.
Security, get this guy. You paid for it. You didn't pay. I think you didn't pay.
They have like the hidden avatars. The diamond has a little nipple on it.
What the fuck? Maybe this will go in there.
Portals are just finicky creatures sometimes.
I mean, they could put eyes.
Yeah.
Like,
The fade from portals are very strange. Oh, that was a fast download. Movie review at Series. VHS movie review.
I like color.
I'm surprised. Trying to back away from spawn, but there's apparently not that much.
Oh, you can just fall off apparently.
Oh.
Yep. This UI.
For a moment, my name, the name tags didn't show up right away, so I thought you were just like you put yourself as an animation.
Someone's got a avatar built on the very good Muppets race car.
No, this world is not big enough for that. Maybe
Someone put the VRChat community stream on here.
I'm not watching that. Oh wait, oh. Did somebody just plus the 360 one?
360 video.
Is that meant to play at start or?
It should.
I think it only just started.
Jealous people.
Where did Techanon just go?
The Skyboat system.
Oh, over here. I guess it wasn't blocked. But yeah. If you wanna,
it's too much. So we.
What's the new feature?
Yes, new feature.
Hey, I'm back.
Clearly, one of the new features is a brand new UI theme, which is kind of Windows Media Player early iPhone days
Nice.
inspired. So,
Wet gradient buttons.
There might be some issues with this many players.
Very retro-y, all that fun stuff, you know, typical ProTV theme style. Another feature is that everything is been updated to be able to integrate in the queue, so anytime you enter a URL in anything, in this particular one, it'll always end up in the queue. That's just an option that you can connect up if you want to. I just did that for this as an example. This is pretty self-explanatory. It's just a new UI theme. Over here.
Did you get it on tape? Did you get it on tape? Got it in. Of course.
I have this weird thing that I can't open my Raphael menu if I don't.
This one.
It's so much harder with the amateur thing to keep track of people.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Whoever's showing always like show that avatar.
Similar stuff to what exists previously. Some improvements to the searching and filtering. This one is 24,000 entries. As it says up there, so you can do proper scrolling now. You can sort by title, default, and random. The other ones don't actually do anything because there's no tags on them, but default and random are pretty fast. The title one's slow because it's doing string sorting and a bunch of, I think it's a radix sort or something like that. So it's a bit slow, but it does work. And it doesn't kill your frames, it just takes a while. That's really all that's new on this from the last time I showed it. But, you know, it supports a lot of stuff on the playlist, which is next one. So this one actually does feature a new one, which is the vote skip. It has been improved from the last time I showed it off. It's just a lot more stable and whatnot. The 27 you see there is 27 of, is it not playing? Well, there needs to be a media playing first, and then you can do the skip once
Rate limited.
Yeah. Rate limited. Should eventually load it up. Come on.
One of these years.
There we go.
There we go.
There we go. So if you click the skip, there'll be a certain number. So in total, there's like, you know, nearly 80 people in this world. So right now it's set at about 33% of the total of the people required of the world. So that's why it says 27. So it's like around 33% of the total. And if I increase the... Now, this is not showing on your guys's, but there's a slider for me right now. So if I increase the slider, it'll increase the number of people required to vote. So you can do like a ratio, and the owner or whoever's in charge of the TV can change that value. So if we drop it down to very little, it will... Bar's kind of small.
Unskip. Time to unskip.
No, it's over.
There we go. Once it's skipped, you can't unskip, and that's intended. So,
so you provide the option, but we can't do it.
A lot.
Sorry, keep going. You said once it skips, you can't unskip.
Well, once the video has skipped, there's nothing to unskip or skip. Like the video's already passed. So like if there's multiple in the queue, then it would go to the next one, and then you could skip that. Right. So over here.
Oh, blue text.
I don't think there's a significant change to this one. You have different map maps of. I think it's pretty much the same thing. I don't remember a new vote skip off of this one or not. But there might be vote skip. Actually, no. That's just normal skip.
Vote skip, media control.
Never mind. But anyways, it's just the hangout one. I've shown this off many times. I did add the scan bar at the bottom to show you the loading progress of the video. So
nice.
At least has a little bit more visibility on that one.
Why does it keep repeating though?
It's loading.
It's rate limiting because people keep changing videos, which is expected.
Okay. That makes sense.
Now we're here. This one is similar to over there, but this one actually has the tags on it. I don't remember if I showed this off, but you can search by tags, subtags. So there's like this thing called genre and type, which matches up to those over here. And so you can sort by those and do type something or genre something, and do you know, sort them however you want with those tags. Normally the tags are hidden, but I have them visible currently, just to exemplify what's going on there. And you can individually search by tags as well. Then over here, just revisiting this. This hasn't changed much. It's just the music player one. It's got that very simple UI, and then it's got a playlist with the videos on it. There's no screen on it. It's literally just for music. The audio is 2D, as has always been. I'll point out though, on every single one of these new the UI panels, there is this new button here, which is a small one. If you click it, if I can click it, it's pretty small. If you click it, it'll open up a little panel, which has like promotional stuff, but also has the version number of the current version of ProTV. So like if you need to contact me about like problem, just give me that number and I can help you out with it. And then the skybox.
It's interesting.
Literally nothing has changed about this. This is still the same skybox as the last time.
I can play 180 VR videos in this world. That's nice.
Is a world,
yes, you can. It is. I believe it is oriented Z plus, so that direction for 180 videos. That hasn't been able to change yet. This is going to get a rework in the next major version when I deal with a bunch of shader and material management updates. But right now this works. So if I do cube, well, let's do beach sunrise, so it's not motion sick.
Yes, we have to go.
Fiona, are you going to be alright?
Rate limiting, yay! Maybe I need to go around and lock all the TVs.
If the video isn't moving itself,
that would probably be.
Beach sunrise is static.
This pretty much does everything I want.
Also, in a crowd, I can just like hide inside people.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Well, you can actually have over here. I did this actually, Fiona. If you want, you can make the floor transparency to 0. Oh, that used to actually make it solid. It used to make it solid. I'll fix that. Oh wait, no, because I was using cutout, not fade. Never mind. I'll figure something out for that.
Yeah, I'm not sure if I could get a headset without trying.
Okay, this is clearly not working with this mini videos playing, but you know, you guys have seen the Skybox videos and whatnot, so I'm coming back here. It's community labs. Yeah, so that's it. That's good. A lot of the changes are back-end changes and then just like stability and security improvements.
If you want to show one anti-VR videos, I have some suggestions because I've made those things by personally. So yeah, Comic-Con things, like, maybe in the future. It's nice to show.
Oh, well, it finally started playing. Okay, cool.
Did you get to the end?
At least for me it did.
Not for me. We're still working on it.
That's fine.
Gotta get to the end.
Still loading for people? Yeah.
It keeps like repeating and refreshing.
Let's just stop.
Glad you're able to see this from work, Chair. Although sad that you have to work this late.
I'm not surprised people are
on a weekend too. What?
That's it. A lot of the changes.
Isn't it like
changes,
tomorrow?
The lock
Is it a weird thing to say?
Reworked a lot better, so it's a lot more stable. So you can actually like have the people properly lock it. There's whitelist feature on there now, so you can like, explicitly allow certain users to be privileged. All that fun stuff. So. Thank you for coming to my ProTV talk.
Tracking works
David, your avatar.
The Pico Neo is
interesting.
The Pico Neo 4 comes with it.
I'm glad you had fun.
So the other week, I showed off a world with a giant tower in it, and recently I updated it a lot. It's got a couple of new things. It's got a working elevator. It is not perfectly synced. We haven't figured that stuff out yet. I don't think we will, but I'm not going to worry about it. There is copyrighted music in it, so if you're streaming, just be careful on that. And there are teleports as soon as you spawn in, and there's also the menu that you can change at different times of day. And I think that's basically it. Also, you can climb the tower, so it's like if you just grab onto the walls, it's got Zeshin's climbing tools and whatnot. But yeah. Let me slap it down over here.
How does that work for desktop users?
Oh my god, Ray, I
You
didn't
just
know
click
you were
on
in
it.
here.
Every time I bring it
okay.
Voice Aspen.
You died.
I moved new friends plus. Oh no, wait. Oh no. Okay, hold on.
Wait. What are we waiting about?
I didn't hit the I didn't hit the lock. Oh, did I?
Got it.
It looks like I can see it. I don't know if everyone else can.
Okay, yeah, no.
I can't.
Okay, I'm dropping
I
it.
don't see it.
It's a friends list thing.
I don't see it. No, I can see it.
There we go. Yeah, it should be good now.
It was a friends list portal. Like your friend, only his friends could see it.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, it's not disappearing. Alright, friends list.
Yeah, looks like we're good. Okay.
That is very different having it fade out instead of being like everything stops. I'm not sure what I like more though. When you go to a portal and it just stops, that way you actually know you went through. I guess one's kind of jarring.
Whoa. This must have been one he showed off when I wasn't here. Oh no, wait. No, yeah, we were here. Yeah, this was one. Yeah, this was.
Oh my god, it's a CCTV tower from Ruby, the hit new show from Rooster Teeth. It's a show
It's been out for like 10 years.
Yeah, new something.
I remember this tower. Here we are.
Yeah.
I guess. Damn, I feel old.
Funny watching diamonds just go through it.
I never been before.
We're back at this.
I know. Oh, shut the fuck up, Ray. You were literally here yesterday. Right. Oh, y'all haven't gone. Y'all haven't gone to the new basement, have y'all?
No.
What's the basement? I haven't seen it yet.
Oh my, shut up,
Chief,
Chief.
you were there when I was there.
You want to give the tour for the people who weren't?
We go to the vault. I recently did the what's it called, the reflection lighting and whatnot.
Okay, we're hitting the vault.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yes, the USB compatible basement.
Wait, what?
Ah, makes sense now.
Also, welcome to the old community meetup place. I'm glad that we can get together everyone here today.
I'm sorry, the lighting is a little dim. Can you turn it up more? I missed the fireplace.
We should all gather in the circle, you know, one person in the center so that we can start the meetup.
All right, everybody, welcome.
Summon our demon overlord.
Somebody brought it up to me yesterday, and it's like, oh my fucking god, you're right. This does look like the old meetup room.
I was gonna say, like, did you actually use those assets, or no? It doesn't.
No.
It's just a center.
I just discovered something. Is that like on the wall? There's this like big pattern over there, and then somehow the name tag will come up behind it. So if you open up your name tags, the name tags will appear to be behind the symbol on the wall, and it turns out because I'm in open beta right now, and then I can see those extremely low poly crystals. They also appear to be like behind the. Wait, where's the symbol? The symbol just went.
It's that way.
Okay.
Yeah, everything's also behind the floor. Whatever symbol's on the floor.
Whatever the shader is, it's probably either nanning, I think, or just like wrong layer, or not layer.
Maybe.
I forget what it was called.
I guess
sorting order. I don't know.
Yeah, transparency is weird.
Yeah.
Interesting. I'll look into it next time I hop in Unity. But yeah.
Oh yeah. One more thing. The same goes for.
Wait, what? I'm the sacrifice?
Oh, hello.
Is this the manager of the system here?
I think so. Yeah, this is the
sci-fi world or fantasy world
where people get put in there and then bad things happen.
No.
I can't wait to go home and see my mom.
This is a forever
Oh, no.
boss
I
where
think I just
people
got
get put
crushed.
in there and then bad things happen.
Oh, I'm back. What happened?
Somebody, if they want to press the button real quick.
Wait, did anybody else get the lag spike just there?
I've been getting a couple.
I don't know.
Where'd he go?
Bart did it.
Is there actually a thing that you can click to get in?
What is going on?
He just respawned.
Well, it's more of like, is there a chair?
It's funny.
Well, fine. Respawn.
So that's happened before. I'm not sure why the render distance is different, but I think that's what's happening. Different headsets seem to limit the render distance.
It's good now. I see.
Okay.
Really close.
It's the forced camera near distance.
Yeah, that.
Dynamic. It causes circle.
So that is a.
People are dying.
And.
Oh, I think.
Really funky.
Completely changes the skybox. It essentially fills the circle out the entire skybox.
I'm gonna say that that is
it's
out of our scope, I guess, because that's like you changing. That's literally what VRChat said, like the open beta, would like, if you do those, you'll break worlds.
Yep.
Yeah.
Wait, could that? Oh, I can't test it right now. Never mind.
Wait, what breaks worlds?
The new dynamic like near field or near focus plane.
breaking this world?
Oh, what? Elevator.
I'm pretty sure like isn't this like an actual like mesh out there instead of it being like just Unity skybox?
Oh no, yeah, it's actual mesh. So
Yeah,
the
that's
entire
why.
world is surrounded by a sphere that's reversed, and then a lot of the clouds and stars and other things are PNGs that I've animated. And that's what's the day-night cycle. But yeah.
Which is basically what you're saying, that just being cut off.
I'm back.
Yeah. Have y'all been up to the top of the tower yet?
No, take us there.
Is there a way you can bring it closer?
Oh yeah.
I'm pretty sure that
Yeah, I'm getting like
If
major
we
legs.
teleport over to Ozpin's office on the right over here.
And you have your
and I go turn this off so that I don't, you know, stream. What's the word for it?
I know I have everyone's IP address in this room.
Wow. Well, you know what? So does everyone on stream. Ha.
Of course.
What a deal.
RP push.
Wait, what? Can you just jump off this? Wait, you can actually just jump off this?
I was just kidding.
This isn't a window. What is this?
No, this is not collision, so that people can throw each other out the window. I haven't added the script for it yet, but it's like that's what I expect fully, 100%.
Oh, okay. So it's on purpose.
Pushing again though.
But no, yeah, and I haven't put it in here yet, but I'm planning to put a couple of Easter eggs on top of the tower.
Manitoba?
RP kick. RP kick.
Welcome to Pit.
Or what's the default?
True. I have a question, I guess. Like, how long have you been following the community meetup? Because I don't remember if you were there when we were at the old community meetup world. And when I mean old, I mean like the Sun Temple old, and then there's also like Squid's Cave, which I don't think you were there for that one.
Wow, you live so near.
Oh man, I keep getting bad lag spikes like, over and over.
I had one lag spike down below, but like I haven't gotten another like massive one since.
It's suddenly stabilized. Everything's like totally cool right now. Crazy.
Oh.
This place is so cool. I love the gears.
Wait, are you putting Japan?
That's great.
Kick. No. Too many names.
He's dead. Did I just
Well, I mean,
witness a murder?
you and Lakuza uploaded that fax. You were the one that actually had like the settings though, but
Whoa, what the?
I remember. Yeah.
Motivation. That was great.
Wow.
Wait, how much of this world can we explore here?
I have no idea.
It's just funny watching the diamonds move. Time to become one.
The diamonds.
Overlay?
Well, Squid's Cave was a, what was it, an audio reactive world. I don't think it was meant to be a hub. I don't remember Squid said it was like an experiment, but yeah, that was not meant to be. I guess meetup performant.
Okay, no.
So you also do rotations of scale. I don't understand
I did
Are we getting nostalgia on meetup world, like host worlds now? The Fez one, I remember that, which eventually became... I forgot the name. Which one was it? Backend. Okay, I was not there for that one, Ivan.
Frame rate.
Suffering right now. I'm truly only one.
What's your frame rate here?
Frame rate at the cost of potentially broken. I'm not in VR. I've got 40 looking towards the tower.
I got 32.
Any avatar.
Leg spike.
Yeah, any avatar beyond 30 meters switched off. So, it does mean VRChat people make avatars are going to have to get used to the idea of not using right defaults. And
I'm going to say that at the community meetup, this is a world-focused event and should not be avatar-focused, so like that shouldn't be a problem for us, and I'm going to air quote shouldn't.
Yeah. Well, the only problem I can imagine is that people having their eyes permanently stuck open and closed or stuff because of weird settings.
That is a good point. Although this, like, with my settings, like, I have it to, like, only, what, 15 people, I think, are shown?
Alright, fair enough. It's kind of crazy we've been playing this game for so long and it's just like, somebody who's 120 meters away from you, behind you, is still rendered on your GPU every single frame.
Behind you,
because the same thing the
no.
avatar animator might... No, because they don't switch the animator off. The animator's still running. They call what they can, but they can't switch the animator off.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. That's why this new right defaults problems come up.
Yeah, I know.
We're just porting all the stuff that clients used to break over to VRChat. It's great!
Yeah.
I'm also
Oh. So reading comments here, was it RikanuSenpai? In the open beta, I believe they added a second button. I haven't actually looked at it myself, but I'm pretty sure that like there's a go to home as well as go to default home button. But yeah, next time we load it over, I'll look at it.
Apply cache and then reapply right defaults correctly on re-enable rather than just avatar state.
Oh, and Sherry, like Hai was showing that on Twitter earlier.
That would solve the problem. Needs to be a Unity call. 2022 maybe? 2023? You know,
One day,
we'll
eventually.
see that in 27. Yeah, one day.
Oh, so I'm on beta right now. So everything you see in the stream is on beta, which will, you know, probably go out next week.
Yeah, I think I'm next. I was behind still. Bugger.
You are not next. You have one more before that.
Okay, I'll just checking now. PixelatedLTD.
Oh, right there. Right here, right in front of you. Right here.
Oh, perfect. Oh, you're so good. Okay. Could everybody gather around PixelatedLTD right here?
Well, I climbed the entire tower, and I'm tired, and I'm gonna pass out. Okay.
Hi. Okay, so I'm a little nervous. I'm new to the world creating community. So they say if you can't build, you modify. So I modified a PC build that was 319 megabytes, and it was full PC oriented. And I managed to make it Quest PC oriented. So if you have an unoptimized avatar, I recommend switching to something a little bit optimized so everybody has an agreement. This is a club world, and I have a few components that I have blocked out, not because I don't want people to see it, but because I'd rather not have people feel like they're excluded from things that are not yet fully, how do you put it, not fully everything. I'm a little excited and also extremely nervous, so if anyone has like suggestions on how I can improve my little project here, that'd be fantastic. So welcome to Club Not, and I hope to see you all there. So I'm gonna come over here real quick and drop a portal.
Alright, interesting.
That's cool.
You need to remember to always unchoose people.
Squid, you should put an angry quiet down like you have an angry respawn.
You went right in, so.
No, they're still there. They're still there.
Oh no, he didn't yet.
Oh.
Oh, there we go.
Here we go.
Oh, here's the well, you get to enjoy the screen.
Just to turn that on.
That's beautiful.
Okay, wait. Wait, is there any different ones? Well, I mean, the buttons are different. Why are they different buttons? What? I forgot about that. Okay, so I don't think that's new.
What are you guys have then?
I have joined? What?
Oh, there's join notifications. We didn't crash. It's gonna take a while to get through.
Speaking of Mitochondria is here for clubbing. Did anyone else bring their clubs?
Let's see.
Where's the creator?
I thought it said Fraser is here for pudding. I was really confused.
Scamming to 100 out of 9 coins.
Alright,
There's copyrighted music.
Oh wait, there's music? I don't even hear it.
I have rolled sound off. No, I don't.
We have a dog?
I don't hear.
I didn't. Yeah, I didn't even hear anything. But
what?
Okay, it's probably local.
What dog?
There's like a Minecraft wolf here.
Yes.
Oh, I did see that. I thought it was a person.
Okay.
Now you can make it sit.
Oh, it's following. Okay.
I made a world with different use cases and stuff, and I'm basically good to go. Let's just say.
Wait, has anybody seen the creator? Like,
Oh, here it comes.
Dogs don't like you, Fiona.
It's fine.
Dogs love me.
You were right on top of the dog for me, Saku.
Your favorite catchphrase.
The dog's like, it won't come close.
It's a smaller world, so I'm kind of hoping that since it's like right near me, there's not gonna be as many people.
Okay.
Just in case, why do we have Simon Says over here?
Oh, I see. You need to make
Because
it
it's a
ready.
design.
Oh, okay. Keep talking and no one explodes.
That's a different game.
Oh boy. Yes, I know.
Where's the creators? Where did they go? Downstairs?
I don't know. I never saw them. Like, they must have joined and then immediately ran away.
Oh.
That or they changed avatars.
That's annoying.
Oh, this is nice.
Mama,
Oh, wait, what? I guess there's a door.
Why can't do you have to manually turn on the video?
ERP from here.
Video?
Hey! The video. Do you have to turn the video music
Alright,
on?
this looks good.
You know what I mean? Because I don't hear any of it. I can see it playing.
Is it playing? Because I don't see anything moving.
Only audible over here.
Who did that? Was the squid? You gotta.
The music is here.
Here?
It's just right here.
Never stop spinning as it tries to like point at me.
I don't hear music.
Yeah, there's no sound for me.
Really quiet in the background.
Perfect.
What's over here?
Oh, it just hit me out of the way.
Was this thing have a collider on it?
Oh, it
Yep.
does. Body shot.
Stand on
Simon,
it.
take a shot.
Very carefully balanced
Yeah,
here.
it must be whitelisted.
Fine.
Only. Wait, can I get in? Nope, can't.
Take a shot of your finest water on the rocks.
Okay, fair enough.
Did you just take a shot, Cyan? What are you
Oh,
doing?
apparently water on the rocks. There's no rocks in that one. So what's this door go to? Just getting knocked off.
Oh.
Oh,
Okay.
I just got bashed.
Wait, are you supposed to see through the world in this? That doesn't seem right.
You are the
Swap places.
chosen one.
Staff only.
We can, we can
Yeah.
from all the way over here.
I mean, I can see you because there's a window into the occlusion missing.
What is this ERP I am sensing?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, just go down the hallway and take a left.
Do you see the row of buttons right there? I didn't play space out to it because I'm
Row of buttons?
Yeah,
Oh,
we can
those,
access
yes.
this panel on
Yeah, I
the
do
side.
see that.
That'd be great.
We're let on.
Well, time to keep exploring.
Why are you just in the wall? Get out of the wall.
Oh
There's
yeah,
some,
I could
there's
do
some
him.
old people living in there.
Co-owner bold.
Performance stuff.
I'm a dancer.
I'm gonna try turning it down to 10 meters.
Only buttons.
That is Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, we stop.
Yeah, I left my ID at
Problem
home.
is, my game lags a little bit every single time someone
What is
VIP.
passes by me.
You have to show me.
These wine bottles are very rare. You must be careful with them. Take them to the high.
Now I'm really interested.
Club room.
You can see inside.
That voice, no, I can't see inside, but the voice, I'm interested.
Oh, they're below it.
Oblivion NPC.
Yeah, they're just below.
I need. You know what I need to do?
Runs into wall.
I need to have the Skyrim combat like things to be the bar.
What a Massachusetts. Why won't you
die? Why?
This is where it's
you
coming from.
die?
Why is that?
You're here to protect yourself and deal some damage.
Stop right there, criminal scum! You violated my mother.
Down is usually. You're gonna break it, you break it down.
My gosh. Fucking hell. I haven't actually seen a whole lot of this place. Is it just 2 floors? Or what else is going
There's
on?
another room, but it's locked. It's a VIP lounge.
There's a lot going on this one.
Yeah, this world is so huge, it's so overwhelming.
Oh, this is spawn.
Nice lamb.
I got lost like 3 times.
Oh, there's second floor.
Key lounge that you can't get into.
Yeah, I have it set up.
Just tired and drink.
I'll have to experiment with it.
Right in the middle of the screen.
Is it possible to have a pickup walk around on a nav mesh, but still be able to, like, you can reach down and grab it and carry it around? And
Yeah,
then,
I'm pretty sure you would.
Totally.
the Roombas.
Yeah.
So there's also
Yeah, because like
Okay.
it's separate, right? The nav mesh agent is just a component of Unity, and you could like.
I want to try the.
Just tell it
And
to
you can just
navigate
turn off the
towards that
nav
point.
mesh.
Actually, I don't think Roombas are nav
You want
mesh.
to pick up.
Are they mesh?
Yeah, Roombas are random if I remember.
But yes, you can still do it. You just have to turn the nav mesh agent off because it like tries to stick down. If you go to Fiona's, let's see, what is it? Bathhouse Utopia.
I haven't tried it yet, but I wanna.
The Tranquil. I'm trying to remember the full name. Bathhouse Utopia, the Tranquil Sanctuary, or whatever. It does like AI cats that you can pick up, but you have to like turn off the nav mesh agent when you pick them up. Like that's how it works in back behind the scenes.
Oh whoa.
Okay.
Oh, your shirt is doing
That seems
some
pretty
work.
straightforward.
Wow, your shirt is mesmerizing.
Oh yeah, this is so
I saw
cool.
there's audio link in this world. I
Ooh.
was like, I want to play with my cheater.
It's just a big map. There's still 77 people in it.
Yeah, I don't know where.
Yeah, but it keeps popping up with people leaving.
This map is very spread out.
I want to grab this shader and blend it with a fur shader.
Yeah.
Using the map
Probably a good thing.
You're fine.
But also,
I don't mind handing it off to you.
I don't see leave notifications for some reason.
You sharing that stuff with me, I might as well share my stuff with you.
Leave is part of the world.
Oh my.
Oh.
I'm enjoying this too.
It is UV based because the amount of detail probably wouldn't work well with a
And we,
any kind of
Like I wanted at least to be able to see my hand. That's more than that's all I want. I don't want it to be black. Like pitch black. It's too dark.
I guess what you have a nice. You can just see all of your avatar with those.
Yeah. Yes. We also have a problem. There's no DJ deck. How will DJs come to this venue?
Oh no. RPDJ.
Yeah.
Bring your own decks.
Bring your own deck, I guess. Yeah. If you play keyboard, you can just play keyboard though.
Oh, here's a keyboard.
It's weird how the lights actually seem like they're dark lights. Like I see a shadow coming out of them.
Yeah, it's like fog. Like, it should have like fog. Like light, how lights should be with fog. It's more than that.
There's some more over here.
oh yeah, it's just loading. Like something is.
This is pretty neat.
Is that an A? I guess that is. That's part of the world. An AI bartender that was never actually looking forward.
Squid load cat.
Will it ever show its face?
I just got here. Are these NPCs? Oh my god, they are.
I'm pretty sure they are, but they don't ever like go to the front of the bar. But we have to respawn now.
Hello there.
Did anybody ever see the world creator? Like,
I've been looking for them this whole time.
Yeah,
I haven't
Stuff like that. I've only seen it from like,
He went in
Did they say-
inside the VIP room.
Oh, they went into the VIP room.
I'm trying to find a space with nobody there, but the diamonds make it impossible to find people.
Same here.
There was a pickup in the floor here.
Where's Panda? Oh, there you are, Panda.
Oh yeah.
Panda, get in here.
Yeah, I got it. I got it also.
Hello. Hello.
Hello there.
Hello. I just relogged in on VR, so apologies. Apologies for being logged in. It's a bit hard to do a presentation. Anyway, so not everyone here is in VR, so I need you all to jumping works. Have you installed? Everyone who is installed and is using VCC currently for a project to create a companion, start jumping manically.
Who has?
Just start jumping.
Oh.
Is using
I haven't even
VCC.
tried it yet.
Oh no.
Not sure what it is.
What is that? I don't think I know what that is.
Okay.
I guess like 40% of this
Alright.
right now.
Alright.
What's
Okay.
VCC?
Exactly.
So,
Everyone who's actually experimented with the new Udon Sharp 1.0 stuff in with the VCC package, start jumping. So I've got an idea. Who I already knows this stuff. It's not very many people.
VRCX. That's.
I experimented with Udon Sharp. Should I jump?
VRChat Creator Companion is for.
No. Specifically that. Specifically, you knew what I was talking about. Specifically, okay. And I'm getting some nasty framing. So, I'm working on. Basically, VCC is pretty close to being done. It's the new Creator Companion package installer automation tool for VRChat. It's pretty nice. And it's coming with a complete overhaul of CyanEmu, which is called Client Sim. It's a full rewrite of it, which is fantastic. And it also comes with Merlin's complete rewrite of Udon Sharp, called 1.0. Udon Sharp 1.0 means that creators like me who do networking prefabs and stuff can finally start shipping code. Isn't technically speaking terrible. So the world I'm going to take you to is a quickly written, hacked together in 20 minutes little demo world. I'm expecting the networking code in there to break because VRChat has currently got a nasty networking bug, which is being fixed in the next month, hopefully. So that's not going to work, but it's got a little demonstration on the walls and I'll be able to walk you through it. This is going to be a mostly non-technical presentation for like 5 minutes just off the top of my head, and we can quickly move on to the next world, which should be Centauri's thing. So I'm going to drop a portal.
VRChat fixing something in a month. That's bold.
Yep.
I know, right?
Yeah.
So this is the first bit of the work I'm doing. The actual first release of this is going to be something Blue Ace has asked for, which is a generic zombie tag, completely generic zombie tag game code for VRChat. So you'll be able to insert a tag game into literally any VRChat world. Free game content. That should be out in 2 weeks provided the networking gets fixed. I'm waiting on networking for that. So where the hell are my worlds? My worlds. I haven't done this in a while.
You have Eye of Sauron.
My worlds. Mine. Here we are. So we're going to be dropping Oh, that's not bad portal. Don't go in. Don't go in.
Why?
Alright. New instance. I haven't used this new portal interface for a while.
Oh, are we dropping another one?
Oh man.
Yeah, I'm dropping another one.
Yeah, we're dropping a new one.
I have not used the new portal interface, sorry.
You should be able to just drop it over it.
Why on? Sorry, it says drop portal, but I can't actually toggle which portal to kind of drop.
You choose the portal type, then next to the drop portal there's a lock you unlock.
But it's only for Friends Plus. It's only for Friends Plus.
So where's the button for?
Yeah.
So where's the button for
Next to the
changing
drop
portal type
portal.
now?
You just click
There's no button for it.
and then it comes
What?
up with.
Okay.
Go back in.
Good UI UX there, VRChat. Alright. So we can lock this. Drop portal. There we go. Friends Plus. There we go.
Oh.
It is gone.
No, wait,
Disappeared.
no. It's only for friends. It's only for friends.
Panda, you lock it.
No, Panda.
Invisible portal for me. Invisible portal for me, damn it.
Jesus Christ.
The joys of new features.
What the fuck?
Are you drinking water?
Worlds, my world.
Really
New
interesting.
instance, Friends Plus. Unlock it.
There you go.
Drop the new portal. There we go.
There we go. Simple.
And then people just go straight in.
And then the portal dies.
No, it doesn't. I'm going in then.
No one waited.
Not taking the chances of it pulling it and then dying on us.
I need to try it again. When I first tried it, it like entirely broke.
Oh, okay.
So going to
Oh, so some
59,
trees.
Going to 61, going to 62, 63,
Assigned to unknown.
65, 67, 69, 70. This may or may not work. I haven't done 69.
69, nice.
Yeah. So some of this stuff, this is probably not going to work. This isn't a local test, this isn't in the world. This is mostly done, but I haven't fully stress tested this. I wasn't showing anything till 2 hours ago. So this here, you'll say it says unknown. Yes. This is like 85 to 90 people. It's fine.
Okay.
I'm trying.
Yeah. So this is
like I say, like, you should always set it to quite a bit over.
Yeah. This is clearly not working. This isn't expected to work because the networking. I'll be tuning that up before we get the networking fixed in, so this can actually work. But I'll show you roughly what's going on with it. Once this is working, you'll be able to hit this button here. Implement a counter, and everyone can do that. And the reason why this works is this stuff over here.
It's sealed override void and thinking that's okay.
So. The cool thing we get. By the way, I'm not really much of a fan of C# because C# has got some nasty language limitations and doesn't implement and is annoyingly object-oriented, which is a dead paradigm. But we do get access to this cool new feature now, which is abstract.
That's a hot take right there.
Hi, I do. Oh god, I'm a Go developer in my main job, so this language can go die in the fire, but we actually get to use this feature now, which is nice. So, the nice thing about abstraction, who wants to listen to this, is that we can do things basically, as a Udon developer, I can write code, any code, which is properly rigged up to do this, and somebody else can take the code, go override, and just start replacing code in it. But in a way where we can actually basically make this a lot better in the current situation. So, here is an example of a simple object in that script over there. So this is an abstract class, which means that basically it doesn't actually exist. We have to make an implementation of it, which is over there. But because we do this, we can do a bunch of code, use another abstract class, which is this thing up here, and start automating a bunch of features. So for example, you'll notice that we're doing networking code in here, but we're not actually calling on deserialization. That's because I wrote a piece of code to handle all of that in a superclass. Because you just don't need to do that anymore. So a lot of my code goes away. And then you can start saying, well, because we don't really care about... We want anyone that extends this to have specific instructions about how to use it. Well, this is a synced object for this pool over here. We just want to send data and receive it. So we're going to have two abstracts implementations, handle new synced data, and clear synced data. And this is all that an implementation of this has to do. So the actual implementation for that thing over there is this. Clear synced data, and just underneath it, off screen, handle synced data. And what this means is, and this is off of a simple pooled object, so all the networking code to make this all that stuff work over there when it does. Oh god, my controller's dying. All of this code here does the networking side of things, and the code above it does the networking side of things. You don't care about networking at this point. When someone comes in and takes a script like this, they'll be able to just go, extend it, implement the features, and go. And we haven't had that feature on before. And the reason why that's very powerful... Can I stop having black screens, VRChat, please? The reason why this is all really powerful is you see the reasons there. And I'm going to have to quickly just...
Oh yeah.
Where?
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Already been.
Oh my god.
We lost another one.
Wait, that actually feels fitting. Have you ever used it since before?
No, I'm really happy.
You're fine. You're not really fine. You just can't get into it because they would never understand.
So, I'm pretty sure if Panda crashed, Panda's not going to be able to make it back. We are full. Oh, no, wait, Panda dropped the instance. Never mind, we can't, like, Panda could. Could.
So should we wait for Panda? I'm gonna get in contact with Panda real quick.
Yeah, because Panda can join back even if we're full.
Right.
Since it is a ping.
And then
Is there anyone else that can understand
swimming pool.
the gist of
Yes.
this part?
I mean, I can understand it. I don't think I would be able to explain it.
I didn't know. I didn't know we had access to abstract.
In 1.0 we did. So I used that back in, what was it, the Time Jam in November? For Draw Your Weapon, or not Draw Your Weapon, what is it, Army of You.
Other people can. Oh, she's sorry. That's stuff too.
I disabled
So that's what utilized That's tracks. Interesting.
Okay, we got to. We already covered it.
Yeah. So basically, everything here is that the goal being of systems like this, which is what I'm working on the next 2 months, is of a situation where we have so many common networking problems in VRChat. Which is stuff like, how do you send data between people? How does somebody let the owner of a game know they want to do something by providing them with data? We don't have a good way of doing that in base VRChat. We have to write our own systems. How does the master then communicate out a bunch of information back out to people? We don't have that kind of information. How do you arbitrate for trusted interactions in VRChat? We don't have those systems. How do we make sure that VRChat can't accidentally break networking with like old data being sent through? That's the whole point of my network UDOM behavior system, is to basically write systems which mean that VRChat can't break our games in 6 months. This is the kind of stuff we're getting. So I am not the biggest fan of C#. I think all of this is stupid boilerplate for a lot of this, but the core point of this is basically people like me will be able to share you cool new networking prefabs which you can easily extend and make better games with that break less. 2, it will take less time for you to write your UDOM programs, because we'll be able to reuse scripts across projects much more efficiently thanks to abstraction. 3, it means that you'll be able to work on problems in ways that make more sense to you with smaller code files that do less things. 4, it's great on a CV to be able to talk about basic coding principles. It's great for learning.
Yeah.
And 5, automation of stuff we're all sick of doing, like object pools, because I'm sick and tired of writing these systems. Downsides.
Man, that's like the fun part of doing UDOM, though.
Downsides. You can totally abuse this feature and make things too impossible to use, so you'll need to write better documentation. And that's 2, why does C# not mandate you call the super or base class on a... Why are you not allowed to do this? This makes I have to abuse the sealed keyword to actually be able to explain to people how to use my systems. This shouldn't be the case, C#. This is something that Java does better than you, and Java is a shite language. What is this, 1997? Anyway,
maybe Merlin can fix it.
No, it's a C#.
Sure.
It's a C# limitation.
Yeah.
You cannot mandate that a C#. You cannot mandate that a C#.
Yeah, that's
You cannot mandate in C# that somebody who overrides a class calls the overridden version. Calls the overridden member of that class.
Isn't this super cool?
Which is why I've got junk over there, which is basically finaling out a whole bunch of UDOM features, sealing it, and then saying implement these things instead, because that mandates the flow I want people to use. It's really stupid. Finally, we don't have everything we need yet. UDOM Shop is amazing. The 1.0 rewrite is amazing. Please use it. Please go test it out. It is so much faster. It breaks less. It makes prefabs more shareable. But we don't have interfaces yet. Without interfaces, we don't have the best feature of modern programming languages. Hot take. We have typecasting, we can do a whole bunch of really cool things. Without interfaces, we can't program to interfaces and do nice stuff involving making it very clear what we want to do, and making stuff that's completely implementable without having loads of code jank everywhere. And ideally, my simple object pools would just be telling people to implement interfaces, but I can't do that yet. So, until we have that, we can't clear it up completely. Statics are nice as well. Oh, UDOM Shop 1.0 has enums. They work now. We have enums. You can just use enums to declare kinds of states. Yeah, UDOM Shop 1.0 properly supports most kinds of C# editor. Generics. It supports generics to a point. It supports, you can properly decorate your UDOM Sharp class behaviors much more effectively without doing custom rewrites of stuff, which means that you'll be able to decorate reference variables. It's more type safe, it's more performant. It doesn't mention it doesn't break when you try, it doesn't break as often. We're going to put all the pool table stuff into it. And all it means is, if you want to use all of these wonderful features and start writing good UDOM code, please move to VCC like yesterday. And start pulling those packages, start using Client Sim, and start using USharp 1.0. Because this stuff is fantastic, it will make your life easier, and people aren't using it yet. I shouldn't have a situation where I'm going to a community meetup and saying, has everyone here used VCC? And the answer is no. Please start using it. It's really good. I'm an advocate for this system. Back up your stuff first, then use it.
I do agree.
It's the best. This is the
Pretty
best
sure you can
update.
use USHA 1.0 without VCC though. You just have to import the right package.
No, the newest versions are locked to VCC now.
Yeah.
Are they?
Well, sort of. Sort
Yes,
of. They're not locked
Maryland,
in, but they're fully wired.
integrated. Has done it so.
Oh, I didn't know that, but basically,
It's an
use
SDK
VCC,
issue.
You get the new Udon shop. Yeah. Use VCC, get used to the new package flow. Writing packages for VCC and just generic Unity packages is really easy, so you'll be able to, if you just learn that. I have a Fork of Luma's Avatar free emulator that does this, and it took me literally an hour to do a full port over to using packages, and that's because I had no idea what I was doing. So there's a lot of features here. This is like a small example of them, and when I get this thing working in the next few days, I'll be able to release this as a prefab, and then move on to other prefabs. Basically,
see this being used in more words, Panda.
I want to see prefabs, Udon Sharp prefabs come out now that go, you have to use USharp 1.0 for this. This is the moment we should be moving. This is the migration. In my opinion, this is the moment we should be migrating. People who are using our prefabs over to USharp 1.0 from regular USharp, because it's regular USharp, pre 1.0 USharp is technical debt as soon as VCC is formally released, and it is very close to coming out.
So, people who usually make tutorials get ready to make some more tutorials on how to use
compatibility, and because someone complained they couldn't
Vogan's
use
a
it
great
without
example of someone who's got a lot of work in front of them. By the way, people have better suggestions on how to do C# stuff. There's if you're the kind of person who enjoys deciding on technical standards for how to do things, I'm doing things that people are going to be very annoyed about with the sealed keyword. I'd love to hear solutions. How do we do stuff like this in a way which is better written and easily more shareable? We need that people who come in who can actually tell people, if people are more experienced with C#, you don't do that, you do this. Because we're now very close to being fully compatible with C# and have full language compatibility. We're just interfaces off now, pretty much, and like Link. But I don't give a toss about Link, so yay, weird language packages everyone has to use. So yeah, that's me. We can move on from this instance. By the way, this isn't me. This is a nice little prefab I found. So that's all well.
You are like perfectly like.
I feel like if somebody did like a coding session, like maybe like
I don't use C#
twice a month, like that would probably help people get into
that's inherits from that one.
Yeah, nobody's talking about this stuff yet, and I just wanted to actually go in and go.
Over here. Actually, wait. Everyone's already here.
We need to move over now. We need to start moving over. Legacy projects don't, but new stuff needs to be on new 4.0.
It's any implementation.
Thanks, everybody. Alright. This is kind of funny because the thing I'm about to show is USharp 1.0 only. I spent some time over the past week or so working on a subtitle system. Not the thing everyone's getting super all that stuff about with movie world and stuff. It's something for world. So like for example, if you're just like subtitles you'd see in games. And I made a super modular and fancy system to do that. And I essentially just put together a demo world that has a few different use cases for it. And the main thing with this is I'm also wanting to get suggestions for things I can add to it, just to big features that people would want that it doesn't already have. So yeah, besides that, it's basically, you can just, when you just interact with stuff, all of it's local, so there's nothing networking going on.
We're gonna need people to back up.
I just found this little prefab world in one of my packages and was like, oh, let's use this for this. It's nice.
Yeah, I actually find it funny. I actually, as soon as I installed VCC with even 1.0, I started doing stuff that wasn't possible instantly in the old one without realizing
people to like implement, make that abstract, so that
Alright.
people have to
Okay.
override it.
Portal!
I have no strong feelings either way.
That was an odd color. I was not looking at comments at all during that. Oops, I'm sorry.
The joys of having almost everyone's avatar switched off, so I can just not worry about my GPU. My GPU has a dodgy memory, so it crashes after 10 gigabytes upload as points. I need to buy a new GPU, but
I need to buy a new
Panda,
CPU, but I haven't found
the god is dead, is right over there around the corner.
Huzzah.
Modular. It supports a variety of different subtitle types and use cases. I think that's true.
Like the only issue is just the right default stuff right now, since like avatars with gestures basically like just get stuck in emotes. Yeah, like if you see someone with just like their eyes constantly closed, it's most likely the right default's breaking on it.
Alright. Oh, good to know. There's already a bug.
Oh, we made it. We made it. Cool. We have Q, Jim.
Subtitles. Nice.
Very good, Centauri. How shall we comfort ourselves?
I need
the
to see
this on the screen.
I know, right? What is this?
It's great. How shall is dead, Steve.
Oh, that the world has bled to death under our knives. Who will wipe this blood off us? What voucher is there to clean ourselves?
That would be. I mean, it uses a string field, so all you have to do is I use a text mesh for OS.
Why do I
feel like
you're
we're
saying
using
90% of the British? I have no idea.
Yeah, because it uses text mesh pro mid is.
Yeah,
it's just about the technical.
Out sometime this week. I just want to go to fix, but I'll genericise the entire object pool system, so no one can care about it anymore.
English and Japanese. Let the user select the it doesn't support that. I could look into it though. I'm not quite sure how I would do that yet, but I can. It just wasn't thought about. Okay. I can say I can look at
Too many people, I can't see it.
What if hardware this animation, it keeps writing over itself, and so it says, "Hi, player named Bobby Star, play hi Bobby Star."
You should be getting cool C# features.
What?
During the fade, and it's showing like multiple lines of text, and then it corrects itself. I did that by clicking it twice.
The 1.0 stuff is neat.
You just keep clicking it.
Keep clicking it. Oh, I see. It like it flickers for a second.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because
also,
it's not
to me,
changing.
like, I wouldn't use a networking prefab because the
guess I just
networking is the
I had to
funniest
convert
part
it
to write. Like,
to
that's the only thing I want to do in
Because I was looking at this and I was
It's called, but technically it's showing it during the fade
I
in
was just like,
before
this
the line
seems
is
really
gone.
basic. Do we not already know how to do this? I was like, well,
the beginning when you start it, not in that. That's something that happens. Because I clicked this twice, it wrote it out.
I just want to call it. I wish I could make it
Oh, that's
all the little edge cases.
I mean, that still should be as simple as just moving it.
Is that you can't see them through players.
That's a fair point, actually.
Oh, are they, wait.
Great for like.
You can change the shader to render over players.
Have you killed one already?
Also, if you are the next one, you probably want to disable
Very cool.
Have you turned on the ones that are
the one
Oh, you mean when I just slap the button on it like a minute so you can still see the thing behind the button?
Even though you're not, there's nothing.
Is very cool.
Yeah,
What the heck?
Beautiful.
So yeah, basically disabling the canvas if you're not talking to
the NPC.
Secrets NPC.
It's called safety settings.
Jesus Christ. It's too much pressure.
In the new open beta, if you do like the outer distance, it's also really good. Like,
Bird. Yeah.
I'll try that later.
What the fuck?
I like how Joseph
Okay.
Beautiful. So beautiful thing. I'm dying, man. It's so hard.
Yeah, from the sound of it, this is going to be a released prefab if it isn't already.
Yeah, I get it.
I was kind of assuming more things on screen, but I guess the player joins are those.
Like celebrities have like dirty secrets this morning because like mine is when I get the job for VRC is gonna be I'm gonna have it.
You're on a ham.
Oh no.
Bro, I need to install a hammock in my room yesterday. Holy moly.
Please stop giving them ideas.
One
breakfast wrap and
So are you just like in the are you just in the middle of the woods right now? Just in a hammock? You set up some base stations on some trees.
No, Dante! What did Dante crash to? Everybody's crashing on us.
People are crashing? Oh no.
He waved goodbye, but he didn't say anything, so I think it was the voice bug again that you were having yesterday.
oh my god.
Oh, yeah, that was weird. Just randomly decided. And I even checked in Windows. It was definitely the VRChat issue because Windows was still detecting my mic.
Yeah, no, they screwed up some. Well, they screwed up some of it on network stuff, but also voice networking. It's really weird.
It's just
right
over there.
now.
He's cooking a squirrel.
Sorry for being late on chat there, but good night then.
We're just vibing. We're vibing. Don't worry about stuff. We're chilling. We're gaming. You know. You know how it is
So,
sometimes.
Florian, how's your day going?
I guess going well.
No. Dude, I
You know.
sleep in this game.
Cool.
We're getting to experience the open beta stuff. Actually having frames at a meetup is nice.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Right?
It's weird seeing above 30.
I know. At 35. My GPU is not completely red.
Yeah. Yeah. For me, I'm just wondering like what else is taking up CPU frame time. Since like with AltCentauri and everything hidden, it lowers my frame time for like 10 or 20 milliseconds. It's like 40 milliseconds from something else constantly with VRChat. I don't know what.
So for a moment I thought like me turning completely around was like saving all my CPU, but then it just immediately went red again. It's just like, what happened there?
Yeah, no, the CPU is just constantly red, even if you like have everyone that has the diamonds. Something else in VRChat is taking
Well, it's
up
still
on CPU.
deserial. It's still getting like data from everybody.
Yeah. Yeah, and like it's still processing everyone's audio sources
Mhm.
and everything. I'm now trying to make the candy about increasing the player cap for worlds. We can get so much more performance now. We need to get rid of it.
If only. But that would be really nice. Actually, no, it wouldn't, because then we're just gonna have like 200 cap meetups.
Yeah. Well, I'd probably just make a candy like maybe just increase it to 100. Just make it a bit more even.
I'd hope that you'd also, I guess, figure out the what's it called? Soft capped, hard cap by that point before they actually increase it. I remember them saying that they wanted to do things.
Soft cap 50, hard cap 100.
No, I mean they were saying that they would make that open so that you could actually specify in like the world itself.
Oh yeah.
Which
no, that'd be nice.
it's interesting. I don't know when they're actually going to do that though.
Yeah, I think honestly what I prefer is just like let the person when you create an instance allow you to set the cap of it.
That makes sense, but you could easily break worlds.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is fun. We still have 2 more people on our list here.
Wait, do we?
Yeah.
I thought Centauri was the last one. Who's the other 2?
It shows Dinky and Electro are on the list. I never saw the actual picture for it, so I don't know. Yep, there's Squid. We're being gathered.
Clipping.
But hoodie's good.
We're now gathered at the here spot.
Is Dinky here?
We're gathered here.
Wait, you have full material slots? Whoa. That makes no sense. That's weird. That's actually pretty impressive.
Oh no, I'm not sure if you made it.
Is Dinky here or no? Oh, is Dinky offline?
In general.
How many? What is it? Your hair, eyes, clothes.
Okay, we'll figure that out. In the meantime, Electro. Is Electro here? Oh, there's Electro.
Sorry, you having four. It's really
I think he was gonna have me share my.
Oh, you're taking the place of Dinky?
Yeah, he well.
Oh,
That's
okay.
it.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, sounds good.
Yeah. Attention all gamers.
I was in your bar a long time ago.
What the?
So my map is a little bit smaller.
So I hope you like your neighbor. I think this may be fun. That will be interesting. It's supposed to just be like a cozy, chill map where you can come play D&D. I'm still kind of working on a lot of things like the dice physics. I've been kicking my butt. Have like maps or book from Rienjo. So I have like the player's handbook. I have character sheets for Dungeons and Dragons. I made a system where you can like fill out a character sheet in a web browser, then save it, and then run it through a program I wrote just in like Visual Studio, so you can import your character sheet into VRChat. But yeah, I guess I'll just show you. Find a spot away from the spot.
Interesting. I might have never noticed that you have different, like one is going down straight and the other one is like a bit going straight and the rest going behind.
You just noticed that. Grab it and eat it. I think this is one of those. All right, this looks pretty stable.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Look at me. Oh, wrong one.
Well, here we
I guess this is going to be a small world, as they said. Just looking at the profile picture of it.
What?
Oh,
I spent outside of the
nothing. 50?
Same.
That's so good.
Is this safe place?
What?
This place.
Oh,
How can I?
Oh my goodness.
Are you grass?
Before.
Hello, are you grass? Almost. Yeah. I look a little bit. Can I talk something or not? Because may I say something wrong?
Have I been here before?
It's close.
It's a prefab. It's a prefab. Yeah.
I don't have any
Oh, okay.
problem. I only see you.
Yeah?
I see you. Yeah. I see you, Avatar.
I think maybe I just, my grandfather owned this couch or something.
At least 3 years. Well, that was the point in the map. It's supposed to be like your friend's basement, or like your grandparents' basement, just like an old
giant bunnies.
retro basement.
I mean, I could definitely live here. I didn't realize you're gonna actually
Where I'm working on I guess I'll just go now.
Which one?
The thing is,
It was better than VHS, but the issue was
I really like the vibe.
It's so cool.
It's
cool how it's
people
make
unfinished basements. You see that some of the basements are furnished, you know? I actually feel like
I've never played for my life.
Oh, is this where the D&D part is? Oh wait, what's above us?
Roll a 14.
Okay. I don't say anything.
Have you tried playing?
Oh. Did not even see the fall.
Oh, these breakers are funny. So many.
Oh, there's a bunch of pieces. Oh, I can't grab any of them.
I didn't even notice all these. It's amazing.
It's also, like, you can't even grab them.
It's personally molded. It's personally molded, so it's.
They still need painted. They still need painted.
This is crazy.
I see you've never played D&D either.
There's actually, well, we were in one hotel room. I forgot what the hotel room was, but it was like literally smaller than the room that I'm currently in. Can I just walk through a door? I can walk back here.
basement's a little bit.
Is this the actual house? There is no house?
Oh, now I can pick him up. Yeah, let's go. Bridge by a wire, and we got the 60 amps.
Okay, so if you click on the middle square, and there's a pair of places. So we'll put the player on the table. I'm gonna load a video.
Speakers to one device. So we don't understand why it's on double.
Hey, it's not just for oh, you can put all that stuff in there. Oh, cool.
I know.
It's like forbidden fruit.
It was literally the first thing. It was literally the first thing that I did. Was turned off postable.
Stop touching the objects. Stop moving. Stop.
This door is made for. Have my frustrum.
Object sync.
I think it might be a like control panel.
Sharon, posting on this is fine. Yeah, so I'll be back in a second. Oh.
I'm gonna look the other way.
Oh god.
Are you getting lag spikes here?
They're lagging big. I was, yeah, I just hit like the emergency safety button.
Pretty much.
Curious if that's like udon or main menu.
They had a video player. They were mentioning like turning that on, so that could be related.
It's a hitch when people join. Probably.
We also have a very large number of pickups over there.
Yeah, we have to make it.
Oh no!
Pickups.
Oh yeah, it's object sync taking the piss on us.
Do you want me to?
Early, yeah. Oh my god, yeah. Yeah.
Do you want me to do the rejoin hub world or?
It's not just me dying.
We'll be good.
Okay.
Is it important that people know what's going on before they join, or can we go and then have it explained?
No, it's just instating. We're instating a full instance, which is fine.
We can go.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think that's what that meant.
To make calls.
Oh no.
Yeah, feel free to DM me.
Pretty sure it's the world, because this is CPU.
I'll be talking to you
Before, okay.
Explain what's going on.
Sounds good. I guess if we crash, we'll just go back to the hub world. Start on the map.
I think it kind of explains me how it is the world, but I can't. Anyway.
Yeah, it seems like things are starting to lag out.
I have a regular vibe. My resolution is so low. I can't it's harder.
I don't mean to rush you guys, but like we're having a lot of
It's getting worse.
Oh no.
This is how we bring everyone. Quiet please, guys.
Alright, Electro is gonna be showing the world. I'm talking for Electro. He's a quiet little mute, but he's awesome. But anyways, he's gonna be showing off this World Contact. It's a new music event. It's super amazing, and it's also he encourages people to be completely anonymous for it. So people use alt accounts for it, and even the DJs are completely anonymous. He also says he's using Garibo's fall off and audio channel prefab, and each floor has different levels. They're on different audio channels, and a custom pin script, and all of his controls are in the admin booth. And yeah, I think that's good. But yeah, it's super cool, and he's gonna drop a portal, and you're gonna enjoy it.
There's a roof.
Wait, sounds like room. Please stay inside this room. So that this place
I'm
pretty
there.
small.
Stay here.
No one will know.
Okay, let's go.
Nabo, it's me.
Ooh.
It's me, Ghost. Don't tell anyone.
Imagine if we did these IRL, it would be much better optimization.
The police!
You never know, the simulation could break.
Yeah, it's a possibility.
Nice.
Could not properly see the title on that one.
Yeah, copyrighted music.
What then?
Copyrighted music.
Yep, it's already off for me. Thank you. Wait, did I just lose all sound?
It's a little spooky in here. What the heck?
Yeah.
Frizzy, did you notice like you can't open? Well, at least I can't open my radial menu unless I open my quick menu first.
Oh yeah,
That is a thing.
That's been an issue since the EAC update. I even accidentally made a
lovely.
duplicate canny of it on the open beta and got merged.
Wow, it is
This
really
kinda
quiet here.
Terrifying.
Yeah, come downstairs. Copyrighted music. Copyrighted music. Copyrighted music.
It's so disappointing how silent it is for me. Somebody please say something.
That's cool.
Oh. Yeah, this is awkwardly exciting.
Wait, we can go underneath?
I wasn't reading comments until now, but like, ooh. Keep going down, I guess. I've never actually played D&D. I definitely know people who do. And so I'm not entirely sure what you mean by like a merciless as a DM. Like, what do they do to be considered merciless?
You need to stand on it to activate.
Yeah, Fiona, look at all my requests. If you see that, I can't just accept them.
Thing.
I can't even click on it. There it goes. Yeah, sure, here you go, buttons. What's the point of blue if I actually have to, you know, still manually accept them?
Well, if you're
this place is cool.
You could make a proto-gen version. Correct.
I believe this is the last one. I mean, we are overtime now. Oh, I heard something for a second. What?
Be careful not to fall through the cracks.
Careful, I already went down there.
Oh, you did? Okay, fair enough.
You can fall all the way down and keep going.
Yep.
Like that.
Yeah, it's also, were you trying
Goodbye,
to talk
Bobby.
before? Since I couldn't hear you until like just now.
This has Garibo system, so like you have to be right in front of somebody to hear them.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Like, that's just the distance.
Well, I also know it took me a bit to actually be able to hear people since I think it's using an object pool that's like weird.
I don't remember Garibo's using an object pool, but it does use sync data. It could be slow to update, but
Okay.
it's also like
Yeah.
this is what extreme fall offs. Like you have to be facing the person and within like a small distance.
Click here
Yeah.
to head upstairs.
Oh, there's actually a button here. Look at that.
Oh, climb.
Time.
Wow. Another area.
Yeah.
Man, my frames are so much better with the updates, for crying out loud. I can't believe this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've had
Hider is nice.
30 frames at a meetup
I'm
while
happy with
streaming.
30. I know, right? I'm not streaming, but like just to be. Oh, we got audio link in here. Hello, dress.
I'd assume so.
personally don't like the idea of having a completely anonymous event, but that's just me.
Well, I mean, if you go with a friend, you can be non-anonymous to them. But it's just like the rules say don't guess other people, so it's like you could probably think who they are. Wait, is it meant to be a quiet event, or is it meant to just be like, you know, masquerade? I guess.
It's more of a masquerade. He held an event like last month about it, and pretty much it was like a lot of people. Some people came in with their mains, but it was mostly like alt accounts people coming in.
I would come on my main because I wouldn't really care.
Well, I mean, I assume you're not in the crowd in the first place, so it doesn't matter to you. That is an alt because you don't normally go to it.
Yeah.
Wait, can I not hear some people?
Just recommend it.
You probably have to be closer. Wait, which person do you see?
Oh no. Yeah,
like,
I can hear.
Okay.
Stealth Snake was talking, and then Nostro was talking.
Yeah.
I can't hear Stealth Snake at all. I can't hear them at all.
Oh.
Because clearly you are responding to something. I can't hear them. Let me do the...
Audio seems very extreme in here.
It's like I couldn't hear people like for the first minute.
I can hear Nostro.
Hello.
I can hear whoever that is behind me.
I hear Stealth.
No? Oh, well.
If Digital's saying something, can't hear them. If Squid says something, couldn't hear that.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I haven't heard Digital or Squid.
Nothing.
Oh, yeah.
This is one of those things, like, you probably are just doing that on purpose, aren't you?
Yes.
I'm funny.
You can be saying the worst things to me right now, and I'd have no idea. You're
I
muted.
can't either.
Yeah,
Well, what
I think
if?
some people are just mute right now.
Yeah.
What if I show your avatar? Does that help?
Digital talking.
Wait, Digital has them?
Everywhere.
Oh. Nobody's here,
I saw
Digital.
I saw it. Okay, his nameplate.
Oh yeah, I can't hear Digital.
But I don't hear anything.
Nameplate's not going off at all for me.
Yeah, I can tell that you're saying something because your audio triggers, but nothing coming from you. This happened in Iron Biscuit's map as well. Like some people I couldn't hear. Some people were super loud.
It may be a bug with Rebo's better player audio.
I mean, we don't really need that.
It could just be a bug with audio.
It's earmuff mode now.
Yeah.
Probably is a bug.
Or also I know VRChat's network
whoever just said
right now,
that.
so it may just be that.
Who just said it?
Stealth
Probably is
Snake?
just a bug. Okay,
I did not hear that.
never mind. I've been able to hear them.
Yeah.
I've seen this thing coming off. Okay, no, I can hear you, Divine.
Now I hear
saw Digital
Panda.
Come up for a moment, but I don't think I
Is
can hear
anyone,
him.
is anyone else noticing that in this world, probably because of the lighting, it's made like the default hide everyone avatar, the little triangle thing, is completely hidden everybody. So I
Yeah,
can't
it's
actually
completely
see...
invisible.
Yeah.
I've noticed some people who would normally get hidden to the diamond, they just
It's
completely
because,
disappear.
Yeah, it's probably because it's got
I don't know why they
transparency on
decided
it,
to make
so
it
transparency's not working properly.
I mean, they did say that on the, like,
Stuff.
what is it called?
They did, yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, okay, let me try turning off
issue.
earmuffs
The
and see
dev
if that changes anything. Okay, I just turned off earmuffs.
Okay.
Hello.
Alright, say something.
Say something, Digital.
Still
It is
nothing.
nice to
Digital, can you say
when
something?
Greasy meets up.
Digital's probably talking.
It's all at all.
Nothing.
I do hear Stealth
Nothing.
Snake. I don't even see his mic thing.
His mic thing isn't even coming off.
Yes.
Hi.
I heard Digital in an earlier map, so...
I heard Digital in the other room, so I know it's not just, like,
Yeah.
VRChat being weird in that sense.
If you go out to spawn, it'll be fine. It could be this area itself.
It could be.
Maybe it's just there's a different level.
Well, because like they did specify. Yeah.
Oh, I have a question. How is the new Avatar LODs deal with on-trigger enter? That's a question.
Oh. Yeah. That's one of the many questions.
I hope somebody finds that out.
VIP room.
There's a VIP room?
Well, not the VIP. The middle. Yeah.
Oh.
No.
Or anything like that?
Nah.
Oh, now I can hear you.
Okay, I don't know then. Yeah.
Oh, I can hear.
So wait, Digital, were you up there before we were?
No. Y'all were there first.
Okay, never mind.
Yeah, I think my audio channel was on the bottom floor rather than the top floor.
He was still on the bottom floor technically on his audio channel, but we were all on the top floor. Everyone on the bottom floor was muted.
Yeah, that can make sense.
I like this mix.
Fine. Just
I see somebody dancing next to me here.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I couldn't.
It's
I think the far distance in this world is a bit short.
Yeah.
I think that's the point, though.
Like,
I also can't make any comments on audio because I have
I know
no
it's the
music
point,
playing.
But I still think it's too short. Like, right there.
You're not overriding it, right?
No, it's earmuffs is off.
That's so.
Was
Oh,
that?
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
No, it's like
Can't
you
stream.
can't hear any of the music. It's great though.
It would be nice if Meetup had a little more like, hey, I know something, I want to explain to people instead of just I made a thing, come test it. Like, I would like to see more of that, honestly. 10 minutes is not. It has to be very, very small.
I tripped.
bites,
What
right?
could
But
cause people
still.
not being able to hear would be those tiny rooms with going in them and out them or something, maybe.
Far too much
In
caffeine
weird ways.
It could be. Who knows?
Yeah.
I got 2 takeaways from your talk, Panda, not being a super code-heavy person. Number 1, you really, really don't like C#, and you really, really don't like C#. And I guess number 3, I guess we should probably use VCC eventually. Personally, I tried it a few versions ago. It was unable to migrate my project, and I said, fuck it, I'm waiting for it to release. So that's I think maybe why a lot of people haven't tried it.
And
my main reason for not using it.
Momo on it, and it's not being sent back due to, post EAC apocalypse workload. So Momo, it is coming out. It does come out. It means that the pool table has to be moved over nearly immediately because there's no way I'm maintaining it on the old system. So, yeah.
My main issue is I will not migrate anything onto it because I don't trust it. If I make new stuff, I'll start a new project on that.
There's no reason if you
yeah.
the load-bearing projects, there's no reason to migrate if everything still works, but new stuff should be on VCC, period. It's where everything's going, and there's going to be situations where you can't get stuff supported because
Yeah. Well, and also I don't use Udon Sharp. I use Sign Trigger for most of the stuff that I do, so it kind of doesn't matter.
Well, but it's stuff. Yeah, it's fair. But there's writing Udon Sharp 1.0 stuff, which is designed to work well with Graph, and we still can't do that. We're still lacking some C# language features, which we should have. But C# is
Text Mesh Pro
language. If I was picking a language to build a Unity engine around, I wouldn't pick C# as a way of writing it. Or for user scripting because it's
But like that point is so fucking moot though. Why even mention it? It's what we have to work with, so who cares?
Because it's bad and people shouldn't.
It doesn't matter. Like really against it is pointless because that's not even under VRChat's control. That's just fucking Unity.
And if you're so against it, why don't you build a compiler for a language that you would prefer to use?
There you go.
Huge amount of time. It was like a huge amount of time that I would not be able to develop VRChat content in. Merlin hasn't done much because he's busy working on major prefabs. It's tough. You have to, if you want to make stuff for VRChat, you can't just get into endless tool development. I agree with you. I'd much rather go and write a JavaScript to C#, like a JavaScript to C# thing because JS is a much more flexible language and easy to teach people, and doesn't have the stupid language artifacts that C# does, which don't do anything for Unity development.
True.
But Unity decided to move to make everyone use C# and then didn't support JavaScript properly. And then JavaScript.
Well, I can't wait for you to implement that and make a prefab, so I never have to learn any coding language.
Yeah. I wonder how many pool tables we will be able to fit into a world now.
Java. Languages in C#. It's just not what I'd choose to write if I didn't have to.
We'll be able to fit pull and putt all at the same time.
To be fair,
wait.
it was very entertaining.
Actually, I wonder how many pool tables even right now it takes to crash someone.
Why is it
Maybe I should test that.
The language they based off, you are forced to call your superclass call, because if you're making an override, you need to, and the person the code you're overriding did import.
Depends how many people in the world too.
The person who's written the code is saying, no, I'm doing important stuff, don't stop me doing
That's something. Community meetup. I feel like that's gonna do it.
Which is just, hey, I'm going to write code which is broken. I don't know how to fix it because you can't language enforce.
Because he was talking about adding a lot of pool tables into a world. And depending on how many people are in the world as well.
Language features than JavaScript. Then
how many people it has to sync off of.
Java is one of the worst things
Potentially.
for development of the.
I guess I haven't seen too many issues with the pool table syncing with 80 people. It's generally good about it. But I don't know.
Wait, did I miss Dinky's World?
For example.
The previous one was not shown off by Dinky, but Dinky was the one apparently like holding the place.
He is here now, though. I think.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Basically, what happened? Yeah, Dinky was going to explain to Squid that he was basically holding a place for another person, but then Dinky crashed before he managed to do that.
Okay.
Got it.
And implement constructors on mono behaviors
Yeah,
properly.
Dinky's right over there.
It's just about
Well, he's back now.
not good. And then and because he wasn't very good.
Well,
I'm doing dots
wait, how?
and Microsoft came around
I
and
think we should switch soon, right?
I'm not sure where Squid
This
is.
is the last one.
on C#.
Oh, this is the last one? Okay, I guess we're good.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, there, speaking of. Called it.
Language in G.
I'm not sure if everybody can hear me. Just because of the audio fall off.
Real close.
Everybody huddle in. No. Thank you all for coming out to the meetup today. The meetup is now over. Go home. No, I'm joking. So now what we're going to do is
Okay, going home.
we're now going to move into sort of like what is essentially a little after party where everybody can kind of just meet and talk without us having to harass you with like these pop-up notifications every 10 minutes. And so today,
That's my favorite part.
But what if we?
yeah, right.
Shut up,
Dude,
Nas.
can we just have lost permanently on our screen?
I'm sorry, that was mean. I'm sorry, Nas. That was
Yeah, there it is.
Yeah. Anyways, so today we're just gonna be using the Great Pug. It's boring. I don't know. It's maybe it's not boring. I don't know. I think
That was loud, but that was lovely.
I can't believe we're using the Great Pug. I'll never come to a meetup again.
You can turn off chairs in the Great Pug.
I've never been there.
All right then. This is the end of the meetup. I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream here now. Thank you all for watching, and see you again next week. But let me just read the comments here for a moment.
Is it absolutely, or will Squid have to do that artificial?
I mean, I don't know if JavaScript is actually still a thing for Unity, but so like they're required to use C#, and like Udon Sharp is not. Well, I guess now it's official, but it wasn't originally.
Took away that I hated C. I didn't mean to make a giant rant about C#. It was mostly just it was comedic seasoning to make the overall
Jokes on you. We're playing
presentation more
VRChat.
engaging.
We're already home. Good point. Good point.
Very entertaining.
it's 40.
Yeah.
Everyone
Said none of it, but it was very fun to listen.
Yeah.
Right.
I don't agree.
Yeah.
It was very entertaining.
All
I
right.
don't mind C#.
Thanks all for watching.
It's all right. It's a lot better than Java. I just
Oh no.
don't like a couple of its
It's
small
okay,
features.
I
Yes.
I don't like